Hey everyone, and welcome back to Ramblr feature videos. If you haven't seen our videos before, my name is Drago, and I'm one of the AI leads here at Ramblr. And on these videos, we try to show you all of our new cool features that we keep adding to the platform, and also sort of mini tutorials on how to use them. So definitely check our previous videos if you haven't seen them yet. On today's video, we're gonna show a super cool new feature that we just added to the platform, and that's automations. And the idea here is, once you have your parameters more or less tuned, which particular pipeline template. So again, this is the set of steps from our different modules that you use for annotating videos, right? Which template works best for you? Which parameters work best for you? Maybe you want to have this. You don't want to have to like select every single time, okay, which template do I need to use, etc. Instead, what you would want would be to have the videos actually, you add the video and it just runs. And this is exactly what automations do. They'll start a pipeline for you based on the settings you want, with all your customizations and such, so that you can just really efficiently you start ingesting videos and you already have pipelines and can go straight into annotating. So before we jump into it, we just also released a new version of our website. It's completely refurbished, so definitely go check it out. This is what's shown here. So go to ramblr.ai. It is very, very cool. But let's jump right into it. So here I'm in my personal workspace, and I have absolutely no um, projects open or available. So I'm gonna start a new project. We're just gonna say test project, right? And this is a test. We're gonna create our project, right? And then if we click on our project, well, it's empty. There's no videos or annotations. But you'll see here among the tabs, of course, there's no pipelines running, but we have our automations tab. And we have this lovely green button here that says create automation. So let's go in. And here, of course, this is a new feature, so we only have this one functionality, but we're going to be adding more. But the idea is that now the event that will trigger the automation would be when a document is added to the project. And the action is that it's going to start a pipeline for you, as I mentioned, right? Now, here's where the magic comes from. So as I mentioned, this is where you can select one of our multiple templates, and these are just the defaults, right? You will have, again, you can filter for custom ones. I haven't added any here, but the idea is that you will customize this, also with our help, of course, so that you get the most out of the system, right? So here I'm just going to pick um, one of the templates, and of course, this is just, this is the particular sort of base template. But again, you added customizations for some of the steps, right? Or you want, you're going to have a lot of videos with motion in this next batch, for example, and you have a special customization for the mass propagation that will work better for you. And this is exactly what we can do here with customize. So there's two views here. You can either do the quick list or the pipeline diagram. If we do the quick list, it just lists all of the steps that are present in this template, right? All of these components that you can mix and match when you make the templates. Check out the video for that. And these are the particular options you have, right, for the different step templates. And here, for example, there's only the one version. And here I'm just going to show there's a built-in, but there's also a custom one that I created for this, right? So I want to select the custom one, and it's telling me, okay, you're modifying something, right? You can go back. And then, okay, I added one customization. I said there's also a different view, which is the pipeline diagram. Here you can see the actual order of events for each one of the components, right? So starting from finding keyframes, which are again these like smartly selected frames that you have to annotate manually, but that then allow you to automate this, 10x or more for the video. And then you prepare frames, etc. And here it's showing me in yellow because this particular anomaly detection, which is the one done for cross keyframes, is actually customized, right? And you can even look at the actual, the parameters that are actually being passed, etc. Right? It's warning me that it's being modified. Um, but yeah, so now we have our customization. I can standardize an annotation version. So every document that gets annotated through this particular automation will get the same annotation version. And you can name it, right? Whichever. And then we're going to create it. And there we go. There's our automation already set with the name, event, action, etc. when it was created. You can delete them, of course. You can add more. And then I'm going to go to data set, and it's telling me, oh, you have no videos and stuff. So let's add a video. Let's browse our library. I have this just one video. So I click here and go to the, always follow the green, see? And there we go, add to project. And here we can create a new project, but we already have one. So we're just going to add to an existing project, which is my test project right here. We add it, right? Okay, cool. So we added, let's go back to the project. And then, lo and behold, see, there's already an annotation version created, which is called test project as expected. And if we go to pipelines, voila, there's our pipeline already created, right? I can click on the pipeline itself. There's no tasks yet because it's running the find keyframe stage, right? And then you can follow again the details. So this is the actual step, and this is the progress it has, etc., as we've shown in some of the other videos. But yeah, that's our automations feature. So as you see now, if I just keep adding videos, they'll start all with the same configuration, and you can really just go straight into annotating, right? Or you can, leave them ingesting the, I don't know, in the evening, and then you come back the next day, and they're all ready to annotate, right? You don't have to do anything else. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Thank you so much for tuning with us, and yeah, hope to see you on the next video. Bye bye.